So eat this.
Other families use ounces, teaspoons. We use chops.
Okay, so first you want to get your natural seasonings. Some Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet peppers. You can opt out this if you don't like spicy food, but that's what we're going to use for this. Pepper, some thyme, some oregano, some scallions, some fresh garlic, and this is the brand that we used. Then we want to get our powdered seasonings. First we have some garlic, some red pepper flakes, some Old Bay, Cajun choice seasoning, some jerk seasoning, some oregano, veteran shrimp and crab boil concentrate, some Maggi bouillon cubes, as well as this chicken flavored soup mix, the Louisiana crawfish shrimp and crab boil in this pack, some basil, some ground red pepper, and the Maggi all-purpose seasoning that we have in this big tub. Lasts forever. Some of these seasonings are very salt, so you obviously want to just use a small amount of each, but using a little bit goes a long way, but it all adds up to make the flavor pop in your seafood boil. So these are all the powdered seasonings that we're going to use, and next up I'm going to show you the pot that we use, and this is a big soup pot, if that's what you want to call it, and it holds our lobsters. And as you can see, these lobsters are a fair size. Got them pre-steamed in Old Bay, and they are actually a pretty decent size. We got some snow crab legs. These are the gigantic 10-pound pack that we got at Restaurant Depot. Tip, if you go to Restaurant Depot, you get these at a great price. If you make a lot of seafood, that's just a tip to get your seafood at the best and the most fairest price possible. And we also have some raw peeled shrimp. So come cook with us while we show you how we make our family seafood boil. Family time. We're about to make this seafood boil Jamaican style. You feel me? So this is, people think I'm the mother in our last video. I'm not. This is my mother and this is my father. Okay? Yeah. Okay, I don't got no kids. I'm 26, but
This is our pride and joy right here.
Hi, my name is Kyria and I love guys.
Well, I'm here to taste.
We're gonna start cooking.
Then when they're done cooking, they call me. I'll do the tasting. I'll let you know if it's alright.
So first, we're putting some salt in the pot.
we have the water boiling, by the way.
Have the fresh peppers. These are Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Open this one, so because we need it really spicy.
Yeah.
Really spicy. So see, we're gonna open it up because we need it really spicy. Right, this is hot Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna put some fresh scallions in the pot. So we're not gonna chop these up. We're just gonna like do it like this, twig it around, so it get the essence of it. Add some fresh thyme, lot of thyme. Then this is some fresh oregano. And two, these are all natural spices. Garlic powder.
Just put them in. Okay, so my mom is adding everything, but in the meantime, let me just show you what inside the pot looks like. So that's what the inside of the pot looks like.
Now we're gonna add all the seasoning. Just add the fresh garlic, and then we're gonna add all the seasonings that we showed you before. Every single one of them we're gonna add.
Seasoning inside and everything.
are chips.
Alright.
We are from Jamaica.
A little bit more.
Other families use ounce, teaspoon. We use chips. That was 3 chips.
Hi.
We're gonna add a stick of unsalted butter.
Bask in the ambience.
And then we're gonna have a glove.
Carry on, carry on. You need to stop.
You know what?
I think we've been fired.
You guys are fired,
I
okay?
think we've been fired.
Hi. Just put it in.
So we're gonna add the lobsters. I had them pre-steamed with Old Bay. So that's what you're seeing on here. So
Okay, so we pretty much left the seafood in and we stirred occasionally for about 20 to 30 minutes. We let all the juices and all the seasonings marinate and we just kept stirring until there comes a point where you just know it's ready. You just know. Alright. No ya top on me. No ya top. I eat this, man. I eat this. I eat this.
frying it.
Find it. I ate this. And when your seafood boil is done, we personally like to eat our seafood hot. So right when it's done, we let it sit for a couple minutes just to let the steam, simmer down a bit. And we go ahead and make the sauce in the meantime. So this is what I'm about to show you guys right now. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know B loves life here on YouTube. So this is her sauce pack. So all I did was make the sauce per the instructions on the packet. And we took some water outside of the seafood boil, outside of the pot. And then we put it into the sauce just to, merge the flavors and get the flavors to be popping. Even though, her sauce is amazing. You guys should try it if you haven't. And yeah, so this is how we're looking. We got some lobster, we got some crab, we got some, some shrimp that I'm about to show you guys. And this seafood, let me tell you, like we put the juices there and we let it marinate, and then we just separated them into the pans to make it more organized so each of our family members could actually, get an even amount, because we will wrestle over this. So this is how we separated them. And then this is the sauce that we put into 2 different pans. And we served it outside on a little table. And then we just, we got to grubbing. We got to digging. And this was a serving size for 6. And let me tell you, everybody was full when we got done. So we had no shortage of food. And this was my sister's face when we got done. So that's how you know that we dug in. Like, she was not playing. So that's it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.